Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So kusasa Orlando Pirates idlala away, idlala against iLamontville Golden Arrows. Yabo, le game le izobe idlalelwe eMoses Mabhida. Manikhumbula kahle iMoses Mabhida iyona ezobe isetshenziswa for ifinal yeNedbank Cup final between amaSoweto Giants, iKaizer Chiefs neOrlando Pirates. Mwalithenga ithikithi, hamba ozama ukuthola ithikithi. Amathikithi akhishiwe namhlanje. So la ngizoshaya ilineup prediction yami. Ngizoshaya ilineup prediction, ungangitshela wena ngokwakho ukuthi ibaphi abadlali ofisa abadlali kule game leso idlala against iLamontville Golden Arrows. Menikhumbula kahle kodwa ke le game le yapostpone. Menikhumbula yapostpone kwakumele siyidlale le eHammersdale le game le eMpumalanga Stadium. Sangakwazi ukuyidlala leyo game because kwakunemvula enkulu, abadlali bakwazi ukudlala estadiumini esigcwele amanzi. Yabo, so bashintsha banquma usuku olusha, naloku usuku olubekiwe uyodlala Orlando Pirates kusasa. So njengoba ngizoshaya le lineup prediction, ungangitshela wena ukuthi uyibona injani. Yabo, ngokwami kunabadlali la kumele sibareste. Kunabadlali kumele sibareste angameli badlali. Yabo, sibalekela ama yellow card angadala ukuthi abadlali bangadlali kule final leso idlala against iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo, so naye ke ilineup prediction wangitshela wena yakho ngama comments. Yabo, ngiqale ku goalkeeping position. Goalkeeping position mhlamba abanye bangasho ukuthi Vane wamhlalisa ebenchini uSipho Chain. Put uNomjida lo. I will start uButhelezi. Ngokwami uButhelezi afila kumjida akasafani kunela season. Yabo, akasafani kunala season bokunaki ucoach Memfakile. Coach Memfakile, he rarely make mistakes. Yabo, akajwayele ukwenza ama mistakes mefakiwe. Kunama match engisawabonile owadlale kuNedbank Cup, umjida useshaya ama-assist uzashaya ama clean sheets amabili. Yabo, uyawashaya ngempela ama clean sheets kuma chances awatholayo kule season. Yabo, so I would trust him to play against the Golden Arrows la kwi hometown yakhe eThekwini because wala iKZN vele. So I would trust umjida to perform yabo in front of his hometown fans. So I will put uButhelezi. Wangitshela wona ama comments ukuthi ngabe umbono omuhle yini ukuqalisa uButhelezi kule game esoyidlala neGolden Arrows. Khumbula ukuthi kumele sigcine abadlali for igame esoyidlala against iKaizer Chiefs. What if uNomjida lo uButhelezi yabo uSipho Chain uyayiqala igame le and wenza ired card asazi. Yabo, so forseleke ukuthi simfake uButhelezi le game esoyidlala neKaizer Chiefs. So ngcono ukuthi simrestise uSipho Chain le game le siqale yena uButhelezi. But ke ngezwe ngayo kuma comments. Mase kuthi kuma center backs wama-2. Ma center backs wama-2 menikhumbula kahle Sipho Chain menikhumbula kahle uSibisi wathola ired card against iSkokono United. Njengoba wathola ired card kuleyo game leyo, so ngiyazi akwazi ukuyidlala leso idlala neGolden Arrows. Uyozabe khona mase sidlala against iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo, so I cannot put uSibisi kule game le bafethu. I'm sure niyakwazi nonke lokho, but uzotravela neteam esuka le goal ize la eThekwini bazobeka la icamp yabo. Yabo, bayadlala phela Saturday. They can't go back to Johannesburg bene game abazoyidlala bedlalile midweek. Yabo, but ke asazi anything can happen. But my two center backs lana bafethu, I trust these guys. They perform really well against the Kaizer Chiefs ngeDerby. Yabo, bengiqala ukubabona bedlala ndawonye, but indlela abadlala ngakhona. Yabo, ngiyabathemba ukuthi bazokwazi ukudefend ama set piece. Yabo, bazokwazi ukudefend ama set piece. NoButhelezi at the back, uButhelezi, I trust the guy to come out and punch the balls and grab the ball. Yabo, une height uButhelezi, une height, yonke engithanda ngaye. So ngamthemba ukuthi akwazi yabo, because mawasubheka eGolden Arrows team ekwazi ukushaya ama cross ayo iwona enza ama team amakhulu avela be paralyzed mebedlala nawo. Wayibona iSundowns bayishaya ama cross, wayibona iKaizer Chiefs bayishaya ama cross. Yabo, so iGolden Arrows akusiyona team ongayithatha kancane when it comes to ama set piece nama crosses. Yabo, so I'll put these two guys. Oxoga, I trust him to yabo use his aerial height, use his aerial dominance mfethu, anqake lawo mabhola phezulu awahead mfethu. Yabo, afundise noMbokazi lapha amtshela ukuthi ehlisa umoya engenza ama mistakes amaningi. Mase kuthi i-right wing back yami kule game engayiqalisa mina. Yabo, kube mase ngithola ithuba ngaqalisa lo mfana lo uNdlozi. Yabo, ustart uNdlozi. Yes, we saw last game we gave uShandu ithuba. Yabo, ithuba elingavelele noNomba. We gave uShandu ithuba. Ushanda alisebenzisanga ke ithuba lakhe uShandu first because we saw if staff indlela adlala ngakhona. Siye substitute safaka uNdlozi second half. Sabona Orlando Pirates iqala ke manje ishoshela ngempela imove ibhola through spaces. Yabo, so I trust uNdlozi angakwazi ukuyidlala le game le. Yabo, angakwazi ukuyibamba. Yabo, imnikeze ithemba lokuthi akwazi ukulwela ischeme sango Saturday because mase adlale kahle kule game esiyidlala neArrows, obvious uzoqala ke game yango Saturday. Yabo, but ke ungangitshela wona ama comments le game le siya resta. stressisa abadlali abajwayele ukudlala yabo. Mina I start uNdlozi in that position yabo. Ningakhohlwa siyawudinga u3 points kule game. Njengoba siwudinga nje u3 points, kubalekile ukuthi siqalise abadlali esibona kahle ukuthi bazosinikeza amaphuzu angempela yabo. Left wing back. I-left wing back yami ngaqalisa lo mjida lo uPaseka Marco. We saw Paseka Marco idlala last game and I'll still play uPaseka Marco in this position. Yabo, I'll play uPaseka Marco in this position. Umjida uyangidlalela even though last game waba i-sacrificial lamb ekhishwa kwadropa uDion Hoto wazodlala kwi-position yakhe. Yabo lapha umfuking wasengenakhe, but ke outstart him kule game le. Yabo kubaleke kakhulu bafethu uPaseka Marco kule game seOrlando Pirates. Yabo even though sometimes umjida abuya abu freeway, but ke ubalekile. Mase kuthi i-holding midfielder yami le game le, outstart uMakehleni Makhawula. uMakehleni Makhawula. I don't think right now currently ikhona i-holding midfielder esingayithemba beside uMakehleni Makhawula. Yabo, I don't think ikhona. Last game we played against this Khukhune, we didn't play uMakehleni Makhawula. Yes, we didn't play him, but we played ibhola elihle kule game. Yabo, we played uMbatha, sadlalisa bani, sadlalisa uDlamini. Yabo, we played uMbatha benoDlamini, kwathi number 10 position sadlalisa bani, sadlalisa uMfukeng. UHot ube left wing mase kuthi ngaleka right kube uNkota. Yabo, bedlala ibhola elisheshayo kuleyo game le. But ke kule game le uMbatha akekho. uMbatha ususpended, so we cannot play uMbatha. Yabo, so holding midfielder umjida uMakehleni Makhawula, I will start him. Yabo, ngezwe ngawe kona ungangitshela ukuthi ubani holding midfielder ungayidlalisa kule game le. Yabo, mase kuthi abadlala phambi kwakhe ngaqalisa bani, ngaqalisa uTito Maswanganyi benoDlamini. I will start uTito Maswanganyi benoDlamini. Reason being, mwasubheke uTito Maswanganyi unawo ama-abilities kaMbatha. Lama abilities la okudropa abuye azomaka sizi team, and unawo ama-abilities ukuthi aphushe i-team yabo, create ama chances phambili. The reason why he didn't play last game yabo, I heard some rumors kuthiwa umjida yabo ubedila nama disciplinary issues. Ngizwele kuthiwa mhla abanye yabo uPhumuthi Manesha ushilo lapha indabeni washo ukuthi umjida ube ne-flu. Yabo, I hope i-flu yakhe si right because siyamdinga kule game le. Yabo, ungangitshela wena ukuthi ungadlalisa but mina would play uTito Maswanganyi benoDlamini. Angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu ngoDlamini. uDlamini uyadlala bafethu. uDlamini bafethu uyadlala. Inkinga yami noDlamini ulo mdlalo lo ungakwazi ukuyiqala igame. Yabo, lo mdlalo ungakwazi ukuyiqala igame, but for me kumele ayiqale le game le, kumele siyibulale le game le kusa-early. Yabo, siyiqede nje mhlambe siye kwi-half time ku2-0, silide ngo2-0 kuthi second half sifake lo mfana omncane uSelepe. Yabo, afika azobamba igame. But ke ungangitshela wena ngokwakho ngamqalisa uDlamini noma ngizumqalisa sinjani sisami. Mina isona lesi ngasiqalisa. Mase kuthi i-right winger engayidlalisa kule game le ngadlalisa uMhawu. Yabo, I'll start uMhawu. For me uMhawu kuningi kumele kulungise, kuningi umfana kumele akufunde. Yabo, amele adlale nama team player, kumele abe team player akwazi ukudlalela ama teammates wakhe, aphasele umuntu oqoka iskipa esifana njengesakhe. Yes, uyakuthanda ukukhahlela. Yes, you used to be a center forward ku-DDC, but right now you can see ukuthi uthole ithuba right now. Uyabona ukuthi indawo kuyona i-complicated. Dlala ibhola kumuntu oqoka iskipa esifana njengesakho, because uyambona ukuthi lo muntu lo ukwispace esiright ukuthi abhekane nokeeper, ashuthele ukeeper. Yabo, ziningi izinto ezikhulunywe ngaye uMhawu kule derby suka kuyona. I hope umjida uzokwazi ukuyilungisa lezo zinto kule game azoyidlala against iGolden Arrows. For me, I'll start umjida to yabo fix those mistakes. Mase kuthi ka left wing angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngoDion Hoto. I don't think ukhona umdlali sikamdlalisa kule position. I think umfokeng kumele simrest for le game yeGolden Arrows. Ngenzeka athole yellow card, so we don't need to risk umfukeng kule game le. Ayikaba futhi uDion Hoto nawo unama abilities akhe ukuthi asize i-team up front, even though mina ngokwami ngimncamela as i-left back, but ke ngokwakho babungamdlalisa kule position le as i-left wing. Mina for me uyena mdlali obengiqamele nje uDion Hoto engamdlalisa. Sekuthi number 9 wami umdlalo uzodlala as a striker uRadiopan, Boitumelo Radiopan. I was tempted to play uMabasa, but ke yabo, I decided to go with Boitumelo Radiopan. Maybe second half I'll try, maybe second half ucoach angazama ukumfaka uMabasa, or ucoach aqale ngaye uMabasa. Maybe second half afaka uBoitumelo Radiopan abone ukuthi uMabasa udlala kanjani first half. Yabo, but ke iyona lineup prediction le eyami ngiyikhethile. Yabo, 4-3-3, traditional 4-3-3. Ithine yakho ngangitshela kuma comments.